She works in the field all day long with an axe and sows sugarcane and waters it. After a few days, the sugarcane starts growing big, but one day, some monkeys come to her field and start breaking and eating her sugarcane and ruining it. Then the cow comes there and sees the monkeys and runs and calls the police. The police comes. The cow tells the whole story to the police while crying. The police believe the cow and catch the monkeys, handcuff them and take them to jail. Didn't you give a like for this cow?